This head wrap is simply gorgeous and will have all eyes on you when worn. The edges of this wrap can be molded and folded for an even more beautiful finish. When you're done with folding the edges of your wrap, you're going to make sure that the head wrap is even on both sides and place it over the center of your head. You're then going to cross each end over the other behind your head and pull in the opposite direction. Twist and wrap around your ponytail or around your head if you don't have a ponytail, and bring both ends to one side of the head to create a bow. Next, you're going to give a tie so that your wrap stays in place securely. Your next step would be to tie a bow. Secure your bow into place and tuck the ends to create a flower effect. Now you're ready to go.